Hi friends, so and वाला वो and इसके काफी and it's quite a good price, and they have given us freebies also. Then there is a bookmark, there is a lot of things. I love it. So this is dan wala, and looks nice, right? See, this is, and next you can write your own stuff, but it looks cool. Like, see the artwork. And then there is अरे यार खराब print. This is, can you please rate us a review, which is nice. And then they ask thank you for your purchase. And then there is this Instagram का page का उन्होंने काट के दे दिया 297. Like they're asking आराम से, like easy, not even giving. And then this then stickers also. So definitely recommend it. You should buy it. I love the artwork and things. बस थोड़ा कट गया है. Rest is like, if it's not, then it would have been a best. But it's a definite recommendation. It reminds me and my partner. So link in the description for this, and this is like definite buy. The bindings and everything is good. It's like a good white paper. So yeah, link in the description for this. Bye bye, thank you.